So here uh, we are installing a social section, social media icons. Somebody, its QR code is okay. QR code, see, QR code is a different thing. QR code is a different thing. QR code, now that is to a property. People can scan that QR code. So here, activate. Okay, ultimate social share, fine. So this one we'll use in the footer part. Skip. So, which icons do you want to show on your site? So first I have to select the icons, whichever icons I want to show. So this one RSS I don't want email, I want Facebook. No, not deactivate. Okay, keep active. Still taking some time here. So I'll scroll down. So which icons I want to show? RSS I don't want, email I don't want, deactivate, deactivate. Okay, these people will disturb in this way. YouTube, LinkedIn I want, and any more things you want. Instagram also will take. This is enough. So Facebook people can share, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, fine. So these are all things I can use, no issue. These are from premium thing. Save. Okay. Now I'll go to this plugin like this WordPress here. Dashboard I'll go. From this dashboard, from appearance to widgets I'll go. So here in the footer, where is this ultimate social media? Yes, this is the thing. So I'll add it into the footer. We want it in footer 3, so I'll select this footer 3. Footer 3 or footer 2 we want? Which one we want? Footer? I think footer 2 we want. Footer widget area 2 I want. So I'm adding this widget here. So this one. Please follow and like us. Okay. Done. So here I have to go DMM. But not DMM. I have to use my website here. Scroll it down a little bit. Okay. You can see. Is this section clear? Is it clear? Got an idea how to do the header part and footer part?
Footer not clear, sir.
Not clear? Where is the issue? Where is the problem?
Taking the plugin.
Taking the plugin. Which plugin?
Oh,
Share it.
yes, sir. Share it.
So what we did, we have taken the share it plugin and there we have selected some icons which we want to show it to the website. Okay, so this icons I want to show it in the footer, so that's why I have selected these icons here. So whichever icons I want to show it to the front end of the website, I'll select this. After selecting, simply I went to the widgets. Okay, appearance and widgets. In widgets, whatever plugins are available, it will show up here. Then I can use this widget here and I can show into the footer part here. After that, simply it is available in the front end of the website. This here.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Got it? Shankar.
Yes. Okay, sir. Now clear, sir.
Okay. Fine. So under this, we have something again. Like now this is called footer bar. The top one, this one is called footer widget area, and the bottom one is called footer bar. Okay, footer bar. That means, see, if I go to this widgets here, I can see these footer bars here, footer bars, but these are empty. Nothing is available. But in the front end, I can see some information here. So how we have to do that? So you have to go to appearance and customize. That means some property you can do it in the widgets and some property you have to go and you have to do in the customization part. So here, see, here is the footer. So in this footer, you have to go. Here we have footer widgets and footer bar. Footer widgets we have did with the footer widgets, like in the appearance and widget section we have did that one. Footer bar is the thing where you can add the content which you want to show underneath of the footer uh, footer widget area section. So here, first text I have given the address, the email ID. The second thing, the copyrights. Okay, here the same thing you can see here. Got it? Is it clear?
Once again.
So see, here in the customization part, appearance and customize. If I go to appearance and customize, I'll get this section. See, in the header part, we uploaded site identity, we created a logo there. Now this is that. Now this is the header section and this is the footer section. Now in the footer only we want to show footer bar. That means this bottom section, this one. Okay. So for that, I'm going here in the footer part. Here I'll go with the footer bar. In the footer bar, I'll give the details here, these details. Whatever details I'll give here, that will be available. After giving these details, I have to publish that. Then automatically it will be available in the front end here. If I don't want to show this footer bar, this black strip with the email ID and mobile number, then simply here we have an option here. Okay. So as of now, middle one is selected. That means the whatever content is available, it will show in the middle. If I want to show this content in the left and right part, then simply I have to go to the customization. I have to select this, just publish. Okay. So in the front end, if I refresh, here you can see in the footer bar section, you can see left hand side section, we got the address, and right hand section, we got the copyright. So now here it is looking something odd, like see the footer in the left hand side, it is creating a two lines. Now it is looking odd. While odd, email is in the first line and email ID is showing in the second line. I don't want it that way. So that's why We went for a very good thing called center so that we can show everything clearly in the one line of sentence. This one. Is it clear up to here?
Okay, sir.
Rishita, okay, fine. What about others? Okay, okay, Satish, okay, Rishita, okay, Satish, again, Satish, okay, Divyasri, Mamata, okay. What about this Venu and we have Santosh, we have Prem, we have uh, Ramya, I think Ramya also we have Shanti, we have, and a lot more boys are there. Lokesh is there, Prem is there. What about these guys? They are not available. Okay, Kishan, fine. Venu, fine. Nagaraju is fine. Okay. So actually, like I don't know maximum people names. Like in the starting days, I know some people names, but tomorrow I'll I'll analyze the complete names of the people so that I can analyze the faces also. I know some of the people, not everybody. I know some people. Okay, fine. Okay, Monica is also there. Fine. Sneha is also there. Fine. Fine. So, any doubts till now? How to take a domain? How to take a hosting? How to connect these two? And how to like what is the hosting in the different properties we have seen in the cPanel? Okay, that any doubts in there? Or after that, how to install the application we have seen, WordPress application. After that, how to select a theme also we have seen. After that, we have seen like how to create the header part, how to create the footer part today. Fine. So tomorrow we'll continue with something more like the body section I'll design and I'll use some plugins. I'll use some plugins which will like a separate page will create with the help of Elementor. Elementor is also one plugin we discussed already. I'll use Elementor. I'll design one page. So maximum plugins I'll try to use. Maximum plugins that may be a meta slider. It may be contact form plugin. It may be uh, any other plugin which is very useful in the process of designing a page. I'll use maximum plugins to design a page. Okay. So like you'll also get today the recording videos. So if anybody like they are not reviewed till now, they can review in the mobile. In the email, you'll be getting 3 links where you'll have 3 places to review. One is the institution thing, one is the trainer thing, and one is in the Facebook end. The 3 things I hope you'll give a review for us, and I hope that will be a positive review. Is it fine?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll meet in online again at the same time, 2 to 4 o'clock. So today it is enough. Because if I give more thing, then you have to practice more. The limited will go. The limited you have to do. So the things you are learning, try to implement. Then only you'll get the good things better. Okay. So we leave for today. We leave for today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See you guys tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Bye, friends.